If you are serious about vlogging and you want to step up your vlogs, good lighting is essential, and a good light will not cost you much, but it will enhance your image whether you are filming inside like I am doing now or whether you are filming outside. What it does is that it removes the shadows from your face, and also it will keep your face well lit even if you are filming against the light. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you to the K&F Concept 2-in-1 vlog light plus power bank. We're gonna open its box and we're gonna see what comes in its box. I'm gonna show you its ports and how to control it, and we'll be testing its modes very quickly, and I'll be also doing a test outside on top of the tests that you're seeing now that I'm filming inside. So let's start first by showing you what comes in its box. Let's open the box. And this is everything you have in the box: a carrying pouch, some documentation, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, cold shoe mount, and the RGB 2-in-1 light. Let me show you now the ports and the controls of this light. First of all, I'm gonna remove the protective film here that you should remove. On the bottom of the light, you have a 1/4-inch thread so that you can put the light on a tripod, or you can put also the cold shoe and put it on a camera. And you have USB-A port that acts as a power bank and the USB-C port to charge the light. On top of the light, you have the power on-off button, and on the side of the light here, you have these controls. So this is the mode, this is the setup button, and this is the intensity button. And on the back of the light, you have this LCD screen. Let me remove also the protection. So let me show you now how to operate the light. To turn it on or off, you need to slide the on-off button like this. And now the light turned on, and you have the LCD screen on the back of the light. So now it is in white mode, and it has 5600 kelvins, and the intensity is 58. So to change the intensity when it is like this, simply turn the wheel like this and notice how the intensity is changing here. And to change the kelvins here, you need to press the setup button. It will go to the kelvins, and then you change them. So you can go from 9000, the top, to 2500. This is the warmest. And this is the battery level here. Now to change the lighting mode, you need to press on the mode button. So these are the different colors of the light, and you change them by pressing this. Notice how the colors are changing. And one press on the setup button here, it will go to the hue. And here also you can change, like this is green, blue, and it has like infinite colors. So now I'm gonna show you the light from the front. Careful, it might hurt your eyes. And one other thing that this light can do is that it has mode like police modes and also SOS mode and so on. So press the mode button once again here, and notice these are the modes. You change the modes like this, and notice how the light now, it will start blinking, for instance, changing colors and stuff all on its own. And this is good, for instance, if you're creating a scene that needs these effects. Now I'm shooting outside, and there is a lot of light behind me, as you notice. And usually in this type of situation, the lens of the camera, when the camera is in automatic mode, it will close, so it will not let too much light to go into the lens to avoid that the picture will be wiped out. But the light in this situation is helping me a lot, and as you notice, my face is very well lit, and this is thanks to the light. Now if I turn off the light, you're gonna notice the difference. So now I turned off the light, and you notice that with the light my face will appear much better than without the light. So this light is really useful inside and outside. And this is another scenario where the camera has difficulty coping with the light changing and the light situation. So now I am inside my apartment, but there is a big window behind me, and the light from the window is very strong. So if I turn off the K&F light, you're gonna see how my face will be very dim, and this is where this light really shines, and it will let you film your scenes in whatever lighting situation you are facing. Now what I like about this light, first I like that it is affordable for what it offers. Also, I like the fact that it is versatile, so you can use it vertically, you can use it horizontally. It has a large Kelvin setting, it has all the colors you want and all the modes you want. And on top of that, it is also a power bank. So now it is charging my ZV-E10, and even though it is charging my camera, I can still use it as a fill light. And also what I like about it is that it is very well built. But this takes me to what I don't like about it. So because it is very well built and it is all made of metal, it is a little bit on the heavy side at 255 grams. Also, what I don't like about it is that it doesn't have a cold shoe. So now the light, it is taking the shoe of the camera, and I cannot add, for instance, my microphone. So here it goes into a cold shoe. What I can do is that I can get a cold shoe that goes into a 1/4 inch thread, and this light has 2 1/4 inch threads. One that I'm using now vertically, and it has another one here horizontally. So I can add it here and put the microphone, or even clip the microphone wherever I want. Now, if you want to check out this light from K&F, I'm going to leave a hefty discount coupon code in the description. If you make a purchase using my coupon code and my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.